How to change birth date on TikTok. So if you want to change your date of birth or if you want to change your age on TikTok, then first you need to open up your TikTok application. And once you open your TikTok, now if you go to your profile, which is on the bottom right, and go for the upper right, which has that 3 bar icon, go for settings and privacy, and under your settings and privacy, here if you go for account or any other options, then you don't have an option of changing date of birth on TikTok, because we don't have that option on TikTok. So while creating your TikTok account, you need to enter the correct date of birth, because once you create your TikTok account, you don't have an option to change it. But there is a way through which you can change your date of birth. You need to simply scroll down under your settings and privacy, and then you can go for report a problem. And once you've opened that, now you can scroll down and go for the last option, which is submit a report. And here under the feedback, you have to write that I'm not being able to change my date of birth on TikTok, so please help me with that. And my date of birth is this and this, and I want to change my date of birth. You need to enter your information like your TikTok username, your email address, and once you enter your TikTok information, you can simply click on submit. And after submitting, within 24 hours, you will get a mail or you will get some help from TikTok on how to change your date of birth or how to change your age. So that's it. That's the only way to change your date of birth or birth date on TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.